Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to reset your JBL Wave Flex earbuds if they are not connecting to Bluetooth or sound is only coming out of the left ear or the right ear. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, and we can do this straight from the app. So what you want to do is just open the app and select the earbuds that you need to reset, and you click on them, and then you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will come to support. You'll click on support, and from support, then we can click on reset to factory setting. Once we click on reset to factory setting, it will come up with this screen where we have to confirm it, and it says, they'll be disconnected from everything, and you'll need to repair them. So if we hit reset to confirm that, then we can put our earbuds back in their case, close the case, open the case back up, and it will attempt to pair, but it will be pairing as a new device to all of your devices.